Hi there, students. A martyr, and to martyr as a verb. Okay, I think the easiest way of describing a martyr is a person who suffers for a cause, a person who suffers for a belief. Probably religious, but it could be political or it could be something else. Now, well, no, it still happens today. I was going to say in the old days, but even today, people are who suffer or who are killed because of their religious or political beliefs become martyrs, and they become admired for it. So, a martyr, somebody who chooses death rather than to renounce, to turn their back on their religious principles. Now, this word comes from ancient Greek or from Roman times. And in Roman times, if you admitted you were a Christian, very often you would be put to death. Or in other circumstances, you have Muslim martyrs who refuse to renounce, to turn their back on their religion, and they are put to death for it. These are martyrs, okay? And this, I think, is the true definition of a martyr, somebody who accepts being put to death because they openly follow their own religious beliefs. And very often these people will be canonized or made saints after their death. But we can extend this nowadays, and somebody who sacrifices or who suffers greatly because of the sake of their principles to sustain a cause, these people are martyrs. And I think maybe you could call a political prisoner a martyr, somebody who refuses to give up their political beliefs and goes to jail for it. Then we can use this to martyr, meaning just to suffer constantly from something. So I'm a martyr to the problems I have with my back. It's saying that you're constantly suffering from an illness. So somebody could be said to be a martyr to migraine. They always get migraines. They are always suffering them. Or she was a martyr to asthma all her life. Somebody who constantly suffers from this. Now, we also have this phrase to play the martyr, or to exaggerate your discomfort, to exaggerate how much you work, to exaggerate how difficult your situation is, in order to obtain sympathy from other people. Also, perhaps that you take on things that are a problem, to play the martyr, to take on responsibilities, and then let everybody know that you are suffering, and like that you get sympathy or praise. So if somebody plays the martyr, you're disapproving that they exaggerate their suffering. When are you going to stop playing the martyr? So a martyr, somebody who suffers from something. I guess maybe many parents are martyrs to their children. They believe they should look after them, and they put up with all sorts of difficulties and problems to give their children the best. So, a martyr, somebody who is killed or made to suffer because of their religious or political beliefs, and they are admired for this. The Martyrs Memorial in Oxford. These were three bishops that were burned by Henry VIII for refusing to give up the Catholic faith. So they were martyrs to their cause. Okay, so formality, a martyr. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality, but I think you could use it absolutely anywhere. And as to origin, it comes from ecclesiastical Latin, martyr, meaning a martyr, which but in itself comes from ancient Greek martur, from martus, a witness. So I think this is to bear witness to something. If you're a martyr, you bear witness to your religion and refuse to give it up publicly. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Martyr.